Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable passwordless sign-in on your Windows 11 computer. So we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it, and we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, best match, should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now you want to go ahead and create a backup of the registry, or at least I would suggest it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create a backup, all you have to do is select File and Export. File name, name it the date that you're making the backup. Save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And then you would select Save. Make sure Export Range is selected to all. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. So go ahead and double click on that. Should be a Microsoft folder in here. Double click on that one as well. Go down to Windows NT. And you can also click on a random folder and just start typing it in if you would rather just skip to it that way. So again, Windows NT, double click on it, and there should be a current version folder in here. Again, double click on that. And now on the left side, you want to scroll down until you find the passwordless folder. And then on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then you want to select the word 32-bit value. Name this value device password less build version, exactly how you see it on my screen. So again, device password list build version. First letter of each word should be capitalized as you see it on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard. So now you're going to go ahead and double click on it. So if you want to set the value data to 2, only passwordless sign-in is enabled. That means you can log in using your password. If the value data is 0, you can use a password to log into the system. Base should remain hexadecimal here. And then you're going to go ahead and select OK. And now you will be required to use the PIN. So if you're enabling this D-word value, the PIN becomes mandatory so that other biometric identity options might not be working if you enable this. So that's what it's going to go back to the PIN method. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Just want to make sure, again, you have to know what your PIN is. So don't close out of everything and restart your computer unless you know why you're doing this. So again, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.